guys, what's up? Welcome to YOLO with AB. I am Antara, and in today's video I'll be telling you how you can use the chain of a bag like this in 5 different ways. Well, this is the part 3 of the series. If you want to check out the part 1 and part 2, I'll mention them in the I button above. Okay, so before starting this video, please guys subscribe this channel and like this video because that helps with the algorithm. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the video because what are we waiting for? Christmas? For the first one, take your bag, keep one end secured and wrap twice like this and secure the other end. That's it. Your chotu sa bag is ready. For the second look, take the bag, just twist it once like this, the chain, and insert it inside the cover. And make sure that both the ends are at the same length. That is it. It's a look too. These kind of bags are quite trendy nowadays, right? All over the Instagram. For the third look, insert the chain from the back like this and bring it in the front. Then just tie it around. That's it. Now if you want, you can like take it as a piche or just like let it flow, or even you can make a design kind of a thing like this. For the fourth look, take the chain and I say just half it like this, insert it through one end and then insert it through the other end and then secure both the ends one by one. And that is it. It looks so stylish, man. Now the fifth one is the easiest. You just need to put it just like this to get the Sassa's wife. That's it, man. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please, needless to say, like, share, comment and subscribe. And also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I show my face. Yeah? So, okay. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep loving me and bye-bye.